Hi everybody, Jennifer Wygant here. I'm in the nursing education tract. I was very excited to read that we were going to be discussing lynda.com and was not aware that it had merged or been absorbed by LinkedIn, which I use quite a bit professionally. So I will have to see how to merge my student and professional accounts, although at this point want to keep them separate, as I don't really want anything on LinkedIn professionally that I am kind of experimenting with and poking around here for this course. So I did start by typing in nursing up here, and I did find that there is a lot to be desired here with the nursing offerings. There are some good things about writing resumes and writing cover letters and that kind of thing. I did decide to look at this using apps for media-based assessment. There are some very interesting apps that can be used for assessment in the classroom. That does mean that students have to have their phones out and that you need to be prepared for them to be doing things other than what you're asking them to do for the classroom. There are a lot of team building exercises. I did see some lectures linked to TED Talks that were here. I then moved on to education. And if I click on higher education, I find that there are multiple things that are pertinent to my teaching and to my learning. Office 360 for educators, that was new to me when my company moved over to Office 360. I also viewed this learning Moodle, decided to see if I could learn a little bit more about how Moodle could work for me. Learning how to teach an online course. I had already saved this and have not gotten back to that yet. I find it very interesting that really anything that you are looking for on here with a technology base can be found here. Also, on the main page of LinkedIn, you are led into TED Talks, which I find are pretty interesting and most of the time very effective in their delivery. I will say in the time that I spent looking over the offerings here, there have been multiple things that I found that have been for higher education in the classroom that I have found quite interesting. Learning Schoolology. There are all kinds of things. I did a course on Excel spreadsheets. Here is purposeful PowerPoint animations. These can all be used for classroom education building ideas. So I hope to learn some things from your postings, as I am really, there's one, how to write a syllabus, as I am new to watching some of these videos, and it's kind of morphed from a TED Talk kind of a offering to more educational and business management based videos. So again, have a great night. I'm Jennifer. Thanks so much.